Whew. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest. I've never been so excited in my life. Just to give you a bit of a backstory, we've had over 40,000 earthquakes for the last 2 weeks, around that, because of potential volcano threat. So right now we are going to drive for like 15 minutes to see the volcano. I'm going to pick up my friend first and get some gas before we go, but we have the batteries charging just in case. We have all the stuff we need in the back. I already did that. I already gathered all the stuff together, so I don't need to worry about if I'm missing anything. I have my computer, have everything. So now we're gonna get some gas and then I'll see you at Siggy's house. Hvað Jeppe? Herru, verður að passa. Verður að halda þessu helst. Já, máli. Og síðan bara last day didn't work out quite as we expected or hoped, but today we are gonna use the daylight and walk as far as we can to the volcano. The terrain is not the easiest to travel. Walking for roughly I've been walking for roughly 1 hour maybe. It's not a 1 hour walk, it's a rough fucking terrain, but still getting closer by the step. Well, now it's started raining. Hopefully that stops when we get there. It's always the same story with these mountains. You think you're there, then you see another peak, and it just keeps on going. So this walk continues, but I'll tell you one thing, I'm definitely not looking forward to the walk back home, because that's a fucking distance, mate. That's such a long way. There's a snow, my friend. On the top of the mountains right now. It's a fucking long ass bridge. Okay, maybe we see some smoke. Come on, son. Yes, sure. feel quite cold after the walk. It's been raining, it has been snowing, and it has been a lot of wind up and down. Let's see how fast this wind moves. It's insane. Look at this. We are as close as any man can be to the volcano. Just to give you some perspective, it's like 30 meters between my feet and the volcano. Well, that was a lot of fun. But now I need to head back home before it gets dark, because you don't want to be out here when it's dark. It's like 2.5 hours until it gets dark, like 2.5 hours walk. So alright, I'm probably gonna end the video here. This was one of the most hardest thing I have done in my entire life. The walk total time was like 7 hours, but it was totally worth it. If you liked this video, I would very enjoy if you would press the like button.